Welcome back to the maths class, students. We were doing chapter Exponents and Power, exercise 13.2. In this session, we will discuss question number 2. So simplify and express each of the following in the exponential form. This is the question number 2. So let us proceed how to solve the first part. So it is 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to power 4 into 4. Divide by 3 into 32. So children, here you can see the bases are quite different. So first and foremost mistake which student do is directly they cancel down it and then they start doing it. This is a wrong method. When the question is asking you do it in the exponential form by using the laws, this is a wrong method of just deducting it and then solving it. So first step will be making all the bases to be same. So for which we will apply prime factorization and we will convert all the bases to be similar. So here 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. So in general all will come in the power of 2's and 3's only. So 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. Now we can write 4 as 2 to the power of 2. And this is 3. When there is no power, it is always assumed that it is power 1 into, now 32, we know that in the form of 2 we can write it 2 to the power 5. So here children, we have made all the bases to be in the form of 2's and 3's. Now we will apply the laws of multiplication and division. So we know that here you can see that this 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 2. So we can write it 2 to the power 3 plus 2. Which law we have applied? A to the power m into a to the power n. So there will be addition m plus n. So we have applied the same here. And here you can see it is for division. So what is for division? That we need to bring down for subtraction. So which law is here? A to the power m divide by a to the power n. So answer will be a to the power m minus n. So this way we have finished this into 3 to the power 4 of here minus 1. So as this is in the division form. So answer will be here 2 to the power 5 minus 5 into 3 to the power 3. I hope this is clear. Now here it will be 2 to the power 0 into 3 to the power 3. And what do we know? When a to the power 0 is there, its value is 1. So we will replace 2 to the power 0 with the value 1. So it will be 1 into 3 to the power 3. And the answer of ours will be 3 to the power 3. So with this, we have completed the first part. Next is 5 to the power 2 raised to the power 3 multiplied with 5 to the power 4 divide by 5 raised to power 7. So first law here will be a to the power m to the power n. So we will write a to the power m into n. Next law will be a to the power m into a to the power n. So it will be a to the power m plus n. Next is for the division here. So it will be a to the power m divide by a to the power n. So here answer will be a to the power m minus n. Or stepwise also we could have written the laws where we have applied. So first step is like this. So it will be 5 to the power 2 into 3 into 5 to the power 4. Divide by 5 to the power 7. So here it will be 5 to the power 6 into 5 to the power 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. So we know that when the same bases are there, we need to add it. So 5 to the power 6 plus 4 divided by 5 to the power 7. So here answer will be 5 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. And now it is which law we will apply? The division law we will apply. So while applying the division law, we know that it will be 10 minus 7. So it will be 5 to the power 3. I hope this is clear. Let us proceed with the next one. So next is 25 raised to power 4 divided by 5 raised to power 3. So again we can easily convert both the bases to be same. So how we will convert? We know that 5 raised to power 2 is 25. Its power is 4 given, divided by 5 raised to power 3. So first of the law which we will apply is a to the power m to the power n equals to a to the power mn. And for division, we will apply a to the power m divided by a to the power n. So it will be a m minus n. I hope by now you must have memorized the laws. So here we will solve this. It will be 5, 2 into 4 divided by 5 to the power 3. So it will be 5 to the power 8 divided by 5 to the power 3. Now we will apply the division. So here 5 raised to power 8 minus 3. So answer will be 5 to the power 8 minus 3 is 5. So this is the answer. Now let us see the next one. So next one is 3 into 7 to the power 2 into 11 to the power 8 divided by 21 into 11 to the power 3. So children, here we can write 21 in the form of 3 and 7. So what we can do? 3 into 7 square into 11 raised to power 8. So it will be 3 into 7. We can write 21 as 3 into 7 into 11 raised to power 3. So as I told you, we will apply the laws. We cannot reduce it by simply cancelling it down. It will be the wrong way. So what we will do? 3. So as this is in the division, 1 minus 1. When no power is mentioned, it is assumed that it has a power 1 into 7. Now here this is power 2 and this is power 1. Next is 11. So it is power 8 and this is for division. So directly I am mention all. So it will be 3 to the power 0 into 7 to the power 1 into 11 to the power 5. Now here, as you know, that 3 raised to power 0. Anything with the power 0 value will be 1 into 7 into 11 raised to power 5. So answer will be 7 into 11 raised to power 5. Next one is 3 to the power 7 divide by 3 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 3. So children, we know that we have to apply two of the rules here, division as well as multiplication. So by the time you must have memorized am divide by a to the power n, answer will be a m minus n. And here there is a multiplication, a to the power m into a to the power n. So we will add the powers. So it will be 3 to the power 7 divided by 3, 4 plus 3. So 3 to the power 7 divided by 3 to the power 7. So what it will be? It means 3 to the power 7 minus 7. Answer is 3 to the power 0. And when 3 to the power 0, it means the value is equals to 1. So now we have reached to the simplest of the question, 2 to the power 0 plus 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power 0. Which rule? A to the power 0 equals to 1. So we will put the value 1 plus 1 plus 1. So answer is 3. Same way, next one is for multiplication, and we know the value. It will be 1 into 1 into 1. Answer is 1. Next one is 3 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 0 multiplied with 5 to the power 0. So it will be 1 plus 1 into 1. So it will be 2 into 1. So answer will be 2. Next one is 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 divide by 4 to the power 3 into a to the power 3. So children, what we need to do here? We need to convert the 4 in the base of 2. So we will write it as 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 as it is. Now converting 4 into the base 2. So we know 4 means 2 to the power 2. And as it is having the power 3, we will write it as it is into a to the power 3. Now, and all are converted to the same base of 2's and a's. We will apply here firstly a to the power m to the power n equals to a mn, and then we will apply the division rule here. So firstly let us solve it like that. 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 divided by, we will open it, 2 into 3 into a to the power 3. So now it means it will be 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 upon 2 to the power, it will be 6 into a to the power 3. So now you can see that this is for division and this is also for division. So we will apply the same 2 to the power 8. When it is division, we need to subtract it into a to the power 5 division, so minus 3. So it will be 2 to the power 2 into a to the power 2. Now as you can see, they are having the same exponents but different bases. So what we will do? We will multiply 2a to the power 2. Now which law is being applied? That you need to write here, that it will be a to the power m into b to the power m. So both are having the same power, so we will multiply and write the same power on it. So I hope this is clear to you all. Now with this we have reached to the 10th question. So we know this is for division, and for division we will write a to the power m divide by a to the power n. So law is a to the power m minus n, and here it is for multiplication, a to the power m into a to the power n. So it will be a to the power m plus n. So applying the laws, we will get, firstly we will solve this. So it will be a to the power 5 minus 3 into a to the power 8. So it will be a to the power 2 into a to the power 8. And since they are having the same basis, so power will be added up. A to the power 2 plus 8, that is a to the power 10. So I hope this is clear. Now let us proceed with the next of the question. 4 to the power 5 into a to the power 8 into b to the power 3, and same divided by 4 to the power 5 divided by or multiplied with a to the power 5 into b to the power 2. So children, we need not to convert this to the base 2, as both ways it is 4. So what we will do, 4 to the power 5 minus 5, as this is for division, into a to the power 8 minus 5 into b to the power 3 minus 2. The questions look like a bigger one, difficult one, but the solution remains very simple. So we know 4 to the power 0 into a to the power 3 into b to the power 1. So 1 we will omit. We know that 4 to the power 0, the value will be 1 into a to the power 3 into b. So answer here will be a to the power 3 into b. So which we can write it as a to the power 3 into b. Both ways we can write the answer here. Next and the last question of this question number 2 is 2 raised to power 3 into 2 raised to power whole of the power 2. So firstly we will solve the bracket. In the bracket it will be 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1. Why 1? Because when there is no power, it means there is a power 1 to the power 2. So here it will be 2 raised to the power 4 divided to the power 2. And we will apply the law here, which says when power of power, we need to multiply the powers. So answer will be here 2 raised to the power 8. So this way we have completed the second question. Keep practicing.